Good morning from Grand Plains Farm. It's July 22nd, 2025, and it's about 10 o'clock. And it's around 73 degrees or so. So far, looks like it's going to be a pretty nice day. All blue in the sky, a few clouds, a lot of sunshine. Once again, the grass is starting to dry up. Better get the sprinkler down here. Still haven't got the irrigation line fixed. Really close to it, but yeah, there's so much other things going on. My son doesn't have time to finish it right now. Here, Edith just got out of her mud hole. Yeah, use that one over there. Stop knocking my waters over. Anyway,